Today we have the craziest nature videos of the decade. All right, let's get right into this.
These are the craziest nature videos from the past 10 years.
That's just horrible luck. You know that's going to ruin your day. But I'm a positive thinking person. It's just a good thing that it fell when it did, and he wasn't just a few seconds ahead, you know, and then it could have been a different result.
Don't move.
Wow. Whoa.
This man went on a tour boat to visit.
Man, that is crazy.
Move.
Who saw that coming? I didn't see that coming.
This man went on a tour boat to visit the glaciers in Iceland when a piece of the glacier actually broke off and fell into the water.
It's massive. Right, take off. Hope it's a fast boat.
Wow! The wildest thing I've ever tried in my life.
Man, nature is crazy. All right, it is one scary thing. I'm glad that the only thing I have to worry about in Ohio is some snow. You know what I mean? Give me boring. Okay, you guys can go chase your adventures and do all of this stuff. Well, I like a good hike. All right, but I'm pretty simple and plain. I don't want to seek any thrills. You know, I'll live vicariously through these videos and watch you guys do it. Damn.
Back in 2017.
Wow. That's crazy. Got my heart going a little.
Back in 2017, Greenland was hit with a tsunami.
Hey,
Back in 2020, this cruise ship was on.
Did you hear the fear in him? I mean. Wow. Scary stuff.
Back in 2020, this cruise ship was on its way to Ireland when it ran into some pretty heavy waves. Back in 2016, these people were hiking in Argentina when they realized that they were in a really bad spot.
What is that? Rocks?
This guy was loading up his car when he realized that he forgot his wallet.
It's a good thing it wasn't a Forerunner.
Back in 2018, this massive mudslide in Switzerland was caught coming down a mountain.
That looks cool. She's just standing there nonchalantly.
And
that was cool. Sorry. Took that tree out.
In 2023, this driver in China was almost hit by these falling rocks.
I see it. That's terrifying. Oh my goodness.
In 2014, this volcano exploded in Papua New Guinea and it created a huge shockwave.
Here we go.
You could actually see the wave.
Where do we get the move?
On November 30th, 2018, a 7.0 earthquake hit Alaska.
I didn't know Alaska had earthquakes. I didn't know that.
This volcano in Indonesia erupted and created some of the craziest volcano lightning you will ever see.
That's beautiful. That is unreal.
Nebraska had some pretty crazy tornadoes earlier this year.
This looks like the movie Twister, all right? Saw that movie when I was a kid about tornadoes. Made me terrified of tornadoes.
Nebraska had some pretty crazy tornadoes earlier this year.
Wow. It's
Back
crazy.
in 2019, a super rare event happened that allowed parts of Southern California to receive snow.
This guy's sledding down.
And they also got to experience what snow and lightning is like.
Got my umbrella, but I know I'm gonna get wet. And look out, like, our street is starting to flood.
Imagine seeing this on your way to work. This is what the morning commute looked like for people driving into Los Angeles back in December 2017. Back in 2019, this giant landslide happened in China.
Wow.
About 12 months ago, a super intense tornado went past this guy's house in Illinois. This hailstorm in Texas.
Now that's one thing that Ohio does get. We do get tornadoes, but you know, I've been here, you know, most of my life, and I haven't seen one. But we do have. Excuse me. We do have tornado drills or whatever every Friday or Saturday. I forget the day. The alarm goes off. So that's one thing we have to worry about here. Other than that, not much else.
This was so intense that the hail started coming inside the home. He left something outside in the rain and had to go get it. About 7 months ago, these people in China were dealing with some pretty crazy wind. Here's another rock slide video.
Is he trying to save the sign?
Dealing with some pretty crazy wind.
Man, get off of it, man. What, you crazy?
Here's another rock slide video that happened in China in 2023.
Yeah. 16. 快点跑呀！
Back in 2015, Los Angeles had a very rare tornado event.
Wow.
About 6 years ago, these people recorded their escape from a wildfire in California.
It's crazy how they're all equally terrifying, whether it's the wind, the water, or fire. You know, it's all equal. I don't know about the fire. I'd rather get swept up in a tornado. I'm cool on burning to death.
This reporter in France got a little too close to this wave.
Right. Wipe out.
Back in 2018 in Hawaii, this car was parked in the worst spot possible.
Is that a Mustang? It's crazy how the car started to catch on fire just with the lava touching it.
In May 2016, one of the biggest tornadoes in the history of Kansas was spotted.
That's good.
That is beautiful.
I know that icebergs are bigger underwater than above water, but this is kind of crazy. In Pakistan,
That was incredible.
in 2018, these people got a little too close to this avalanche.
Come on, man. Common sense.
In 2020, this plane was struck by lightning when flying over Finland.
Man, when you're out there with the elements, you need to be hypersensitive of your environment. You know, because no one can just come and get you.
In 2020, this plane was struck by lightning when flying over Finland. This giant boulder came within inches of crushing this house. Unfortunately, two other boulders managed to break free and destroy the other side of the house.
What the heck? That was destined.
In 2019, this cruise ship near Norway encountered some heavy seas.
Never understood the excitement about cruise ships. Okay, I just don't get it. You know, like, doesn't seem like a good time to me. I'm sorry.
Seas.
Get that on video.
It's officially over.
I think I've
In
seen
2021,
that one.
these people were rock climbing in Japan when an earthquake happened.
It's the wrong time to be climbing a mountain.
This snowboarder in Nevada accidentally triggered a giant avalanche.
Every time I see snowboarding, it takes me back to when I was a kid playing like Tony Hawk in these snowboarding games. They were so fun.
This snowboarder in Nevada accidentally triggered a giant avalanche.
Oh my goodness. Now in the movies, he would race Tom Cruise would be racing in front of the avalanche. Okay, I don't know how realistic that is. You know, you guys who's ever done that, you can fill me in the comments. You know, what is the likelihood that a moderately good snowboarder can outrun something like that? You know.
This video from 2015 shows some sailors about to take on a giant wave.
That's God.
In 2021, these firefighters were driving through some pretty crazy wildfires in California.
And respect to all the firefighters out there. You know, you guys, wow.
Crazy wildfires in California. A 6.7 magnitude earthquake interrupted this couple's wedding.
That's God telling you don't do it.
This dad tried to save his trampoline from being blown away in the wind.
Bennett, get out of there! He will get
get taken too.
Oh,
This is what being cheap will get you.
oh my gosh. Bennett!
This video from Guatemala is probably the only video in the world like this.
Dicen que es grande, ¿va mucha?
Whoa!
Miren, cabal, ahorita lo
agarraste.
lo agarré, cabal.
This is called a crown flash and was spotted in Florida back in 2020.
I hope it's getting it on the camera. I can't even see the screen. Holy.
Oh, wow.
Whoa, look at that. The red one. You see that?
See, this is what makes people believe in aliens.
Holy.
Like, you'll never believe what I just saw, and then nobody believes it.
Lo
Agarraste.
lo agarré, cabal.
This is called a crown flash
What is
and was
that?
spotted in Florida back in 2020.
I hope it's getting it on the camera. I can't even see the screen. Holy.
What the heck?
Whoa.
The eclipse was so awesome. We got to see it here in Ohio. It was beautiful.
Oh, look at that. The red one. You see that?
Sometimes during a snowstorm, you can actually get lightning.
Whoa.
In April 2022, this massive tornado hit Kansas.
Wow. It's the real life Tasmanian devil.
This is what it's like to get struck by lightning when you're in the cockpit of a plane. In 2018, one
How
of the
does a plane's electrical system withstand getting struck by lightning? Okay, I wonder how that works. That's terrifying.
by lightning when you're in the cockpit of a plane. In 2018, one of the biggest tornadoes in the history of Wyoming was recorded.
That is awesome. Somebody move that beautiful truck sitting there.
Mira, mira. No, el que viene de abajo. No.
What is that?
In 2018, 4 waterspouts emerged on the coast of Thailand. A sinkhole in Illinois randomly opened up earlier this year.
Sinkholes? Didn't this happen in Batman?
They were driving down a road in Sydney, Australia when this happened.
Wow! Whoa!
Oh my god!
That's probably the most common, out of all of these, that happens everywhere.
This guy was in a pool when an earthquake happened in Taiwan earlier this year.
You gotta get out of there.
This house in Hawaii was devoured by lava back in 2018.
Tough luck.
These houses in Montana got buried under some tumbleweeds.
Damn. How does this happen? My intrusive thoughts wants to see if it was strong enough to take down those apartment buildings.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Damn.
Back in 2022, a huge meteor lit up the sky in Idaho.
Wow.
In 2020, a snowstorm in New York mixed with freezing rain, turning their homes into ice.
That is unreal.
In June,
I wonder what happened after that. Like, what kind of damage does that do?
In 2020, a snowstorm in New York mixed with freezing rain, turning their homes into ice.
I mean, I think they'll be fine, but still, I wonder if it did any real damage.
In June 2020, a massive landslide took place in Norway and went into the sea.
By a landslide.
All the homes were empty, so luckily nobody was hurt. In 2022, Puerto Rico had flooding that was so severe that it destroyed this bridge.
If they're speaking Spanish, it'll be back up tomorrow.
In 2019, a glacier in Iceland fell into the water, creating a massive wave.
These people saw it coming.
These tourists on a cruise ship suddenly experienced some extreme static electricity. This is actually a pretty scary warning sign, as it means lightning could strike at any moment.
Oh. Wow.
In 2019 in Amsterdam, this tornado was created within seconds.
What the Yeah, een tornado.
Wyoming had some pretty strong winds that happened earlier this year in April 2024.
Oh man. Tough.
This giant tornado was seen moving through Canada. That is the end of this video. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this one, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon.
That was incredible. A lot of scary things that make me feel grateful. All right. What did you guys think? What did you find the most terrifying on here? And have you witnessed any of these or been a part of any natural disasters? Let me know in the comments. Do me a big favor and like the video. If you like the video, subscribe, hit that notification bell, just in case I post something you want to see. I appreciate you guys for watching.